I'm here to tell you to take action, to persuade you. Today, I would like to share what I have learned about global warming and its causes. First, I would like to enlighten you on the problem of global warming. Second, describe how the causes of global warming. Last but not least, discuss what we can do collectively as individuals to do our part to help save the planet from global warming. Global warming, if we do not act now, the human race may perish. Global warming, or climate change as it's often called, is a problem which the whole world can come together and agree upon this ordeal. It can be contended that it is the product of human behavior without giving much concern to the environment. World leaders are now addressing this problem, looking to resolve the issue through diplomacy, negotiations, and unity. Whether you believe the earth is flat, a globe, or a triangle, you cannot deny global warming or climate change. We follow the statistics in weather change that account for fires, tornadoes, floods, deterioration of polar caps. As individuals, we all must do what we can to prevent this imminent disaster. Unseasonal rise and decrease in temperatures can directly or indirectly cause loss of life to humans, animals. Scientists are now focusing on the impact of global warming. Scientists indicate that a rise in the temperature of the atmosphere can cause many humans health problems. Some of the issues caused by global warming are consistent of a heat wave and other climate change and the death of infectious diseases. As the atmosphere temperature rises, we are all in danger. The climate harms not only our health, but also our food chain and water. Floods and droughts associated with global warming may also affect crop production. Now, let us understand the situation. The earth is slowly moving into the valley of the shadow of death. We're going into battle against a tough, determined enemy called global warming. Warming, the enemy of the earth and ultimately the enemy of the human race. The gravity of the problem rests on our collective consumption behavior. The fossil fuels we use to power our homes, our cars, our businesses are causing the earth to warm faster and cause climate changes in our atmosphere. The question rises, do we modify our behavior that increases the temperature on earth and save our planet for our children and grandchildren? Global warming is real, not a science fiction found in Doctor Who. Here are the facts. Numerous research and articles discuss the effect of global warming. Here are the facts. According to multi-article by the Climate Council, extreme weather patterns have emerged. Heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, and flood, and they are occurring with a higher frequency and greater intensity. In 2003, heat wave caused 20,000 deaths in Europe and 15,000 deaths in India. And the number of category 4 and 5 hurricanes have doubled since 1970s. Katrina alone is a testament to that. Now, let's now discuss the root causes of global warming. According to Berkeley University, backed by multiple other research done by universities alike, electricity generation is the most significant contributor to the problem, at around 33%. Transportation, like cars, and their emission follow with 28%. Industrial plants and factories are third with 21%. The three top factors are 82% of the problem, and that's just it. Now let me call you to action. An increased level in education is required concerning global warming. International agreement and consensus on reducing carbon emission, increasing the efficiency of alternative green clean energy, reduce the cost of energy efficiency products so they become mainstream. Implement the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Only buy what you need, reuse whatever you can, like containers and papers, and recycle what you cannot reuse. If at all possible, use solar energy. After all, it's energy from the sun, which is free. All you have to do is buy the equipment and pay the installation. Carpooling minimizes the number of greenhouse gases put into the air by a car. Replace a regular incandescent light bulb with a compact fluorescent light. Replace your air filters in the air conditioners. Small things like cover your pots while cooking and maybe plant trees around your places. Now, closing my statement, will our planet be available for our grandchildren and great grandchildren? The answer depends on our will to survive as a human race. Do we use technology for profitable means, or do we use it to create solutions for better Earth? An effort for increased reforestation can increase a cleanup level of carbon dioxide. Does recycling become an everyday behavior in our lives? Addressing global warming will require many solutions, as the ones I mentioned, as there's no magic bullet. Additionally, we understand that nearly all the solutions are available and many of them rely on humans modifying their behavior, specifically how we make and consume energy. We all know about global warming, but do we care or try to do at least some of the things that will help stop it or at least slow it down? It's easy to paint a grim picture of our future. Difficult decisions are to be made between continue global warming or fundamentally changing our lifestyles and concurrent way of life. Thank you.